Welcome to the translation course on Michigan's Corner. This is lesson 1 and we're diving straight into the foundational rule, a professional translation. Before we begin, let's quickly define what translation is. Translation is the process of substituting the message from the source language with an equivalent in the target language while preserving the original meaning and ensuring an appropriate form. To be a great translator, you must understand the relationship between two core elements, form and meaning. Form refers to the actual words, phrases, and sentences. What is actually seen or heard, often called the surface structure. Translation is fundamentally a change of form, where the form of the source language is replaced by the form of the target language. Look at this Vietnamese example. Họ ra đi vội vã. When translating this into English as they left in a hurry, we change the form from a verb or adverbial element to a prepositional phrase, in a hurry, to ensure naturalness. Meaning is what must be transferred and held constant. Only the form changes. Translation requires you to analyze the source language text to determine its meaning, and then reconstruct the same meaning using the appropriate target language structure. To analyze meaning accurately, we must look at two aspects, the non-contextual aspect and the contextual one. The non-contextual aspect includes denotation. It means the original dictionary meaning, and connotation, the associated meaning, including implied emotions or attitudes. Let's use the word nerd. The denotation is a person extremely interested in one subject. However, the connotation can be positive, suggesting intelligence and expertise, or negative, implying social awkwardness. The contextual aspect means determining the meaning of a word by placing it into its original context. For instance, face is a noun in she has a beautiful face, but a verb in he will face the audience. Context is vital. The sentence John made the Queen's list could be vague, but once you are given the context that it is a Queen of England, the translation must indicate the contextual meaning, such as John made the Queen of England's yearly honors list. This brings us to the core principle. In translation, meaning must be prioritized over form. A translator succeeds when the meaning is the same as the source language, and its form is the most natural in the target language. Let's test this principle with a quick practice. We will translate the word run into Vietnamese, seeing how the form must change according to the context. To retain the meaning in Vietnamese, the verb form must change. For example, the boy runs becomes cậu bé chạy. It is a physical movement. The clock runs becomes đồng hồ chạy. It means to operate, to tick. His nose runs becomes mũi anh ấy chảy nước. It means to discharge liquid. Mastering the relationship between form and meaning is your first step to becoming a professional translator. Join me for lesson 2, where we will dive into more advanced technique. Thank you for watching.